and it is on the throttle body, which is right under there. So let's take this big cover off. So to get this off, I got 6 10mm bolts. There's 2 up top there, 2 in the middle, and then there's 2 down here. 1 right there, and 1 over here. And then I'll be lifting the cover off, kind of tilt it from the back, lift up, and then it might snag on that oil fill cap. You can just pull that oil fill cap up if it does, but I recommend leaving the oil fill cap on in case you got debris inside this that might fall out into the oil fill hole. Okay, just tilt it forward, snags on that cover a little bit, just slide it back, it's off. So here is the throttle body, here is the idle control valve. Make sure you push on that metal spring lock. Go ahead and disconnect the idle control valve. I'm going to take the idle control valve off, and I'm going to have to use a big Phillips head screwdriver for that one. Alright, got my big fat Phillips head screwdriver here. That one's a bit more tough. There we go. You can actually get on that one with a ratchet. Alright. Got a gasket on there I want to save. So I'm going to just spray some throttle body cleaner down into that to clean it out. It's a bit gunky. Stick this in there to kind of get some of that gunk off of there. Up here. Should go in real easy. All right. All right, so for these two, make sure you push on that metal spring lock. There we go. So I got everything out of the way, and when I start this, it might run a little funny at first. It's going to be burning some of that throttle body cleaner off, and it will also be recalibrating all of its settings for the idle. Time to start it. It's not even starting. Alright. That made me a little nervous. I didn't want to start there at first, but it started. It sounds good. Let's go ahead and hit the gas pedal and see what it does now. Oh yeah. It's going up and down like normal. It's running real good. So I'd say this is a success.